Alright guys, so we're adding to our video collection, and today we have a 13 Tucson Tucson, and we're going to put this puppy in since that's all we can get in this wonderful era. So we're going to take the radio out. It's actually not hard. It's actually on an angle outward, so if you look at the clips, they're actually angled downwards, so you sort of have to clip or pull up and out on an angle. Alright, and you got two screws here, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's 4 right there, right? But to get this puppy out, I use this guy carefully in between the corners. Alright, and you sort of work your way out. Now, I had one of these, which looked like one of these, but ended up like one of these, because I tried using that and it wasn't strong enough. And I just snapped it. No worries, I got more of them. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thank you for watching.